bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we are going to be unboxing my very first Pretty Little Things order. What I did not know was that Pretty Little Things is a UK based store. Had no clue about that. So when I did my order, they shipped it via DHL. I did the 2 to 3 day shipping thingy because I wanted it as soon as possible, and they also had 30% off the entire site using whatever code that they had at the time. And with that, I ended up getting free 3-day shipping as well as a discount off of all the items that I got. Now I only got 3 things: a bikini top, bikini bottom, and a cover up to go over all of that, because I do have an event that I'm going to, and this is what I plan on wearing if it fits and if it looks, you know, covered up enough. Like I said, I chose 2 to 3 day shipping. I ordered on Wednesday night. By Thursday it shipped. By Friday it was in Miami, and then Monday it was at my door. This is what it came in. It's a pink bag with unicorns all over it. It is so cute, like literally the cutest thing I have ever seen in my life. I haven't opened it. As you can see, it's still sealed, so I'm just going to rip the top off, or at least try to rip the top off. Yeah, okay, so there we go. The bag is open. We have our packing list here. Yeah, all right. So each piece, it comes in the clear prettylittlething.com bag. So I'm assuming this is the cover up. This is the bottom here, and dropping stuff. This is the top. So let's open the cover up first, since that's the first thing I took out. I feel like I should be sitting, but anyways, so this is the cover up. It's very stretchy. It's kind of like a chiffon material, but not. Let me see. It doesn't even say, because it's definitely not spandex, but it's stretchier than chiffon, you know? And I got this in a size 6, a US size 6, UK size 10, Euro 36. It feels okay. I could have probably gone up a size in this one, because I do prefer a more like loosey, relaxed feel. So I could have probably gone up like to a size 8 or 10 in this one, because I do prefer, like I said, a more relaxed type of thing. So this is the bottom, and it's a high waist bikini bottom, and it's from their Shape line, and I got this in US size 8, which is what I should have gotten this kimono in. It does have the little hygiene protection thingy, so just in case I try it on and it doesn't fit and I want to return it or something. So that's the front and the back. This is the top. That's the top. It's so cute, and it feels really good. It feels like what's that word? Oh my god, those type of dresses, bodycon type material. That's what it feels like. Also got this in a size 8. Back, front. I want to try them on. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I want to try it, but this is what it would look like underneath the cover up, which again, I'll probably end up doing a cover up that I already own. I don't know, but that's it. And then I'm gonna have my hair down. It's gonna be cute. I'm gonna try it on. For my first Pretty Little Things order, I think it went pretty well. The shipping time was amazing. Price factor was amazing, because again, it was 30% off every single thing. Do I recommend Pretty Little Things? Definitely. Like I said, shipping was literally the next day. They shipped everything out, and I got my stuff in 3 days. So yeah, will I order from them again? For sure. for sure. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. Okay, so real quick, I was just about to throw away all the packaging and stuff from the order, and I found these two little things folded up at the bottom of the bag. This one is a unicorn ticket, and it's saying that I won something, like a mystery prize or whatever, which is that. I don't know if this comes in every order, if it came in yours, if it's supposed to come. Leave it down below and let me know. If not, then I just won something. And then I got this. This, it says, is a Pretty Little Thing foundation, which, if it's foundation, how they know what skin tone I am? Okay, let's see. Unless it's like a moisturizer. It's like sealed and everything. Okay, so it's a color. It's brown. But it's definitely not my shade. That's it there. It's very, very, very light. Oh God. Oh no. It feels like a moisturizer though. It's very, very moisturizing. It feels very silky and amazing, and I want to lotion my whole body with it. But this is way, way, way too light for me. Unless it's supposed to be like some highlight. I could probably use it as a highlight, but it feels so smooth. I could do this all day. Yeah, this is nowhere. This is not happening. But yeah, and now the video is actually done. Bye.